How to upload a file in Selenium. Here we have an image file. The file name and the path of the file are required. To upload a file, we use sendKeys method and pass the path of the file name as sendKeys argument. Let us write the code now. First, open browser and launch the application. Next, click File Upload link. Then choose File from your system, that is, pass the path of the file to sendKeys method. Last step, upload the file. The view of the page before uploading a file. Let us execute the code. First it opens the page, next, it attaches the file to the page, then the file is uploaded successfully. Thank you. How to upload multiple files using Selenium. First, initialize WebDriver. Open browser and launch application. Then, click File Upload link, it will redirect to the file upload page. There locate the file input element. Now, create a list of file paths to upload. Then iterate through the list of file paths and upload each file. Locate Submit button and click on it. Let us see the steps. Now, execute the code. Each file will be uploaded one by one. And you can see file uploaded message. How to download a file in a specific directory. To achieve this, we need set up a WebDriver instance for Chrome with a specific download directory. Let us see the steps. First, define the path where files will be downloaded. Next, create Chrome Options instance. Then, create hash map to store Chrome preferences. Preferences.put. Download.default directory. Download file path. This line specifies the default directory where downloaded files will be saved in the Chrome browser. Next we have options.set experimental option, preferences. This line configures an experimental option in Chrome Options to specify preferences. Then initializes a WebDriver instance for controlling the Chrome browser with the specified options. Next, launch the application, and locate the web element for the download link and click on it. Now the file will be directly downloaded into the specified folder. File versus file input stream. File class in Java represents a file or directory on the file system. It provides a way to interact with file metadata and does not directly read or write the contents of a file. It is used to create, delete, check the existence, and perform other operations on files and directories. It is used for file manipulation, such as creating, deleting, or renaming files and directories. File class example. File input stream class. It is used for reading binary data from a file. It is a subclass of input stream and allows to read bytes from a file one at a time or in bulk. And used for tasks like reading the contents of a file, parsing data, reading configuration files, or processing binary files. File input stream class example. Often used together, where file helps in file operations and file input stream helps in reading file content. Read and display the content of a Word or PDF file. First one is Word file. Specify the relative path of the Word file. The file name is ai.doc. Then open the .doc file and initialize the XWPF document object. Next we have for loop. It iterates through each paragraph in the document and prints its text content to the console. Now PDF file. First specify the relative path, chatgpt.pdf. Next, open the PDF file and initialize the PD document object. And create an instance of PDF text stripper, which is used to extract text from the PDF document. Execute the code. First, it displays the content of Word file and then content of PDF file. Retrieve data from a JSON file. JSON file. It is a lightweight and human-readable data interchange format, used for storing and exchanging data between a server and a client, or between different parts of an application. An alternative to XML for data exchange because of its simplicity and ease of parsing. For handling JSON parsing, we can use libraries like JSON or JSON. Here we have a JSON file. Let us write code to retrieve data from this JSON file. Check the code now. First, specify the path of the JSON file. Create a file reader to read the JSON file. Use JSON to parse the JSON content. Retrieve data from the JSON object. Print the retrieved data. Close the reader. Next, verify the output. Thank you.